Hey yo, what's good, YouTube? It's New Year's Eve, and we got our last package of the year. After midnight, it'll be 2025. This is the last package of the year. Of course, Temu package, which I really do enjoy Temu. I'm not sponsored by them or any of that type of stuff, but they tend to have some great products. Like I said, if I could get it, buy it, and then show it to y'all, let y'all know in my opinion if it's good or is it cheap, is the material cheap, not just the price. Maybe that'll give y'all a little heads up on whether making that decision whether to buy it or not, if you were eyeing it on Temu. But we have our Temu package here. Let's open it up. And let's pull out our first bait. So I got some chest mounts and stuff for my iPhone, because I have the GoPro that I use that I take to the waters to fish, and then I want to put my iPhone either on my chest or put it on a tripod to have a few different angles. But the first bait we have, which is I don't know if it's fake or not. I heard that the JDM baits, the factories that make them, also put off the same baits but in different packaging, so they could sell them cheaper and make like money on the side. But I don't know, I just heard that. But this looks like the G-Crack Bellows, I believe it's called. Pull one out. They smell like V8. And I don't know, in my opinion, that's what they smell like. They smell like V8. They were kind of like smushed together, even though they're in the package. But man, they seem pretty nice. This is in the I want to say black and white, or has like a little bit of green tint to it. But should be fire. So the guy that is, I don't know if he's a creator or he's the one who's promoting the product for them. Can't remember his name, but he's a pro angler. But I saw a video to where he says that he uses these as trailers, and that, they work. But I'm anxious to use this one. I got the bigger size, and the bigger size wasn't my cup of tea. I thought it was too big. Especially for the places I fished. It was too big, in my opinion. But this is perfect. So these ran me, let's see, I could pull it up on the screen. Come on, mouse. Let's see, these were, let's pull them up. So as you can see here, these costed me $3.94 for a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in a pack for $3.94. I believe these are 3 in a pack if you get them through G-Crack, and they're like $10. So yeah, those are $3.94. You get a pack of 6. They come in, you get them in a mix. That's the mix right there. They come in the, they don't say colors, but chartreuse and I don't know, red. Got an all green, burgundy and black, black and white, orange, and starts off black and then it transitions to green. I don't know, but I went with this color right here, which I thought would be fire, and it is. I like this bait. So there's the first one out the way. Put that off to the side. Okay, these I thought were gonna be larger. So I thought these were gonna be larger. So this is a swim style bait. They all crammed in here. At least they got oil on them, some worm oil. I always think that tends, so when you have like baits that are all crammed in, something like this, I like it when they have worm oil, if not a little more oil than they should, because to me it helps like those tails not to get all bent out of shape. So this has a little bit bend to it, but not so much. Usually the tail's all like like that. But yeah, it's a nice color. It's like a steel blue on top with like a pearlescent bottom. I mean, a little small for me, but I have a small umbrella, an umbrella rig. I think I could use these on that. These aren't bad. I just thought they were bigger. I wanted to use them on a swim bait hook. So these are, we'll pull them up on the screen. They come in a container that does not close anymore. I guess that's the reason for the tape. Oh, there we go. I guess we got it to close. They come in a little box. Again, a little small for me, but I do have a small umbrella rig that I believe I could use these on. And those, let's go ahead and bring these up on the screen. So these right here, of course they come in different colors, as you can see here. I'll go through the colors. They don't have names, so I really can't tell you. But these are the ones that we picked up. Oh, they do right here. My bad. So black, which looks kind of green to me. White. Man, that was a little bit, like I said, if these were bigger, that white would have been fire. We got green, blue, a loach color, and silk. That's the color I got. But $2.04, and it's a pack of 10. Or you could get 30 for $4.22, which ain't a bad price still. Like if you're gonna umbrella rig these, or if y'all doing like finesse fishing, I think these would be pretty sweet. I don't got no complaints on this, because I could use it. But I believe I got the 10 piece. So that's those. Let's go back. Let's grab another bait. Okay, these I got because I think these are gonna be fire. G-Crack, I believe, makes these also. And these are the knockoffs. But like I said, I heard they come from the same factory. Not sure. Don't quote me. But, and I don't know what they're called. But these, I think, are going to be fire. I can't wait to use these. Let's pull one out. They smell like shrimp, shrimp scent. But man, these, again, all these plastics feel just like the plastics you buy at the chain stores, like Zoom. I mean, they don't feel cheap. I want to say it's the same type of plastic that they use, but check this out. You got a little club at the end of the tail. All these little ridges, appendages, whatever you want to call them, I think they're gonna, as you swim it or just bounce it off the bottom, they're gonna catch water and just cause this to do all sorts of things. But this, I'm liking this bait right here. It's kind of like dark green on top, and then you got the light green bottom with black flake. I don't know if the camera will pick up the flake, but this bait, man, I'm liking this. I need to get me more in a few different colors. So these came 2 in the pack. And I should have got more, man. But these are 2 in the pack. Let's go ahead and get them on the screen. Y'all can see the price. There we go, got them up on the screen. These were $3.02, and it's a pack of 2. They come in black and red, which I think will be sweet. Green, brown and green, brown, devil purple, black and white. To be honest, I think all these colors are killer. I'm gonna have to put in an order and grab me a couple of each one of these, because I think these are gonna be very effective. I like these. I like them a lot. I'm telling y'all, y'all need to pick some of these up. They look crazy. They feel quality. They don't feel cheap. And I believe they're gonna have some good action. I've never fished anything like this, and I'm anxious to try it. Put that off to the side. Grab the next one. Okay, so looking at this, I should have bought all the colors they had. I don't own one personally, but I see them every time I go to Academy, Bass Pro Shop, my local tackle shop, mom and pop shop. Y'all probably recognize the packaging, but this is a knockoff crawl from, I believe, megabass. And I do have the dark sleeper, and I have a few of them because I got them in all sizes and colors. But check this out. So here is the crawl, the packaging, and that's Megabass's dark sleeper. So now this, I could say, is a direct knockoff from Megabass. It's pretty much the same packaging. Now I look at them every time I go. I'll pick them up, look at them, and this bait looks identical. I don't see no difference in it besides that it says T-bait instead of, I can't remember what it's called, but let's just say this says dark sleeper, let's say dark crawl. So this is different. They still give you the weight just like Megabass, and it doesn't say Megabass like this one does, but it's pretty much the same packaging. That's crazy. I want to say these cost $10 to $13 at the big chain stores here. Let's see what we paid. Let me bring it up on the screen. Oh my god, I should, now that I'm looking at this, I should have bought every single color. Oh, they got 3 colors. Oh, and from the looks at it, they're selling out. I should have grabbed, man, I should have ordered, but let me pull it up. Here we go. So this costs, and I want, this is an identical replica. If not the same one, and they just changed the packaging so they could sell it on Temu. I mean, same. I'm telling you, man, packaging is pretty much the same. And I look at this one every time. I mean, not this color, but I look at them every time I go to Academy or Bass Pro. And I want to pull the trigger and buy it, but I'm like, man, do I want to spend $12, $13, $14? And now, I think I'm just going to order a few of each color when they come back in stock. So I bought the dark red, and as you could see here, they're $2.74. How crazy is that? I may be wrong, but this is the same crawl from Megabass. I may be wrong. I'm gonna have to buy one so I could pull them out and compare them, but I want to say it's gonna be identical because this is a Megabass bait. We'll see. I would have to buy one over the weekend, and we'll make a video on it and compare them. But $2.74, man. It comes in a dark green and your orange. And that orange looks nice. I should have bought one of each color, but in my opinion, that's Megabass. $2.74, and I know for a fact it's over $10 at the big chain stores. I missed out. I should have ordered more. Put that to the side. Let me see. We got any more baits? Alright, looks like we got one more bait. There's a bag inside of a bag and baits inside of a box. Okay, so these I ordered because I want to start doing some BFS fishing. I will be ordering me, and I'll pull it up. I will be ordering this reel right here, which I have pretty much all of this company's lineup except for that reel because I really didn't do BFS fishing, but I want to start. Where is it? Okay, so let me pull the screen up. Baits, incredible reels, love them. I highly recommend them. I do have pretty much all the Shimano DC reels. Love them. But I've been taking these out more lately. The Salty, I have the Salty, I have the Hundo, the Goat. I have the one with the cork handles, the Salty 150. So I have all these except for the OG. For some reason I don't really like the way it looks, and I can show y'all real quick. I mean, I might just get it just to put it in my collection, but it looks like the old Abu Garcia reels. I don't know if y'all have well, they still make them like that, but the old Abu Garcia reels were kind of small, cylinder shape, and that's pretty much kind of like it. And do they not have a good picture? But I've heard good things about it. It's just the way it looks. I might just get it just so I could have it in my collection. But they make a BFS reel. Why isn't it up here? Should have been, unless they sold out. Reels, Hundo. Huh. Let me see. Baits. BFS. I don't know why I wasn't in their lineup, but this is it right here. So this is their BFS reel. Only got one picture? I guess so. Which light tackle system, I guess they call it LTS. I don't know why they didn't have it. But it's $3.95 on on Tackle Warehouse. So I got these for that reason, and I got a lot of other stuff that I haven't shown. So these are mini lipless rattle traps or crankbaits, whatever you want to call them. Let's pull one out. Let's pull out. Let's see, which color would I think would be fire. I'm liking this color right here. So they got some like little holographic paint. Has like some pearlescent in it also. So yeah, so these are a total of 5. Here are the colors. So it came 5 in a box. And these were, we'll pull them up. These were $6.07, so you got 5 for $6.07. Now they have 2 styles you could get. This is the style I got. The colors. Y'all could see it here. Then you could also get, if they didn't take it off. This temu usually will do that too. They'll, or maybe I'm tripping. Maybe that's another thing I ordered. But yeah, $6.77. You get 5. They seem good. I don't see nothing wrong. The split rings, Seem good. The hooks are pretty sharp. I don't know if they'll be. I know a lot of people say change the hooks out, but for that price, I would have just bought some name brand ones. But the hooks don't seem bad. They are super sharp. I think they would work. But yeah, this is good for what I want to try. And plus, I'm just trying it out. Like I said, I really haven't done this BFS, LTS, light tackle system stuff. But I want to get into it and try it. So, I mean, if you're going to get into something and might not like it, I wasn't going to go out and spend like $70, $80, $100 on tackle and then not like it, and then it's just going to sit there. So, that's the reason I bought these. I was like, okay, $6, buy it. Let me try it out. If I do start liking it, they do sell on Temu, like individuals that look a little better, and probably the hooks might be better. I don't know. I would have to buy one, but I don't see any problem with this not working. Like I said, the hooks look like they're gonna work. They might. They look a little thin, but then again, I don't know how the BFS stuff looks as far as the hook wise. I don't know, their hooks are maybe thicker or what, but yeah, I'm gonna try them out once I get that reel in. So let's go on to this is gonna be like the chest mount and stuff, and my iPhone stuff. I film off of the GoPros, but like I said, I wanted to get another angle while fishing, so I wanted to either put the GoPro on a tripod or put my phone on the tripod and then chest mount the iPhone. But we'll have to see. So this is gonna be chest mount stuff, which you could use it for the GoPro also. So it has the same clips as the, do I have one here? GoPro. No, my mount don't have it. Oh, look, it comes with one. So yeah, it's basically the same GoPro mounts. So I could use it for the GoPro or my iPhone, because it comes with what this would be. iPhone, I believe. How does this work? Oh, okay. Open it up. iPhone slides in here. Tighten it up. Whoopsie. We're back, folks. I would have to see how this works. So this, I think, somehow goes, there's no instructions. Let's pull it up on the screen actually. We paid $7 for this kit. We got chest mount, GoPro mount, phone mount, and a few few other attachments. Oh, it did come with instructions, but they're so small. It's tiny. So it looks like, okay, it looks like this one goes down here like that. Then this goes on here. Okay. So $7.28. That's what it comes with, 7 pieces. I'll go back to my scene. So we got the mount. This would obviously be on your chest. I got the wrong way. Oh, it slides up. It goes from the bottom up. Like that. Okay, I got it wrong. There it is. I just had it backwards. So yeah, that's what you would have. So you have the chest mount. This would be here. And you would be recording. My phone dead. Okay, you'll be recording. And you could put the phone at whatever angle you want. Not bad. This, I don't remember what this is for. We'll go back up here. Maybe they got a picture of it. You see, so you could put the GoPro or they come with the head mount. I don't know if you could use this for a head mount. It's showing a head mount here. Okay, I guess that's just so your phone is protected more. You see that? So it doesn't fall out. In case it came loose and it's like boop, straight into the water. Which iPhones are waterproof, but still, I would have to get into the water and then find it. Yeah, so that's what that mesh back was for. To secure your phone, that way if anything happened and your phone fell off, you wouldn't have to go and swim it out from the water. So this is just giving you some extra insurance that your phone's gonna be good and not fall. And again, you're obviously gonna strap, and I think I got this upside down, but I think the phone actually goes flipped around the other way. That way, you can use the back camera, because I believe the back cameras on the iPhones are better than the front one. So your phone would go on this way. You'd be strapped up, and you could also see what you're recording. Make sure you have the right angles. But yeah, $7 right here for this kit, 7-piece kit. This is fire because it also works with the GoPro. And also, like I said, how I wanted to get those other angles besides having a chest mount, because I have the neck mount that I normally use, which is pretty much basically a chest also. So I could be recording through GoPro on here, and then set up the tripod And I'm just looking at this right now. I set up the tripod. You grab another angle. And you would like pull this off. That would come off. And this would just screw on. Because I was looking at that right now. Should be the same. Yeah. So there you go, man. You got that screwed in. You have your tripod. Whoop. And all the feet on this one extend out. And just lock them into place. This I have from my old Canon camera when I used to take pictures. But yeah, you would just lock all your feet in place. Of course you need a... I don't know the phones too. Oh, that's how you do it. Didn't remember. So then, set your phone up. Record. That way you could be further down fishing, recording yourself. Which is fine. I like this. Let me grab my phone off. We'll put this to the side. And this is coming in. Let me turn this light off. And then this is where this other item comes in. This is our last item. Again, we had the chest mount for GoPro and iPhone or any phone. And now this product I bought for the intentions of using the tripod. Hopefully it sounds good. I won't know until I try it, but the stickers are covering it, so let me remove that. You can see the packaging. Microphones. Are they good? I don't know. Do they sound great? I don't know. How do they sound with the wind? Do they got any like noise cancellation type stuff? I don't know. We would have to try them. I closed out my browser. Let me get back in. And we'll see how much these cost. So these were... Let's go to our screen. So these cost $11.87. And I believe it's 2 mics. You get 2 mics. I don't know how that's supposed to work. 2 mics and 1 transmitter, I guess. Oh, you know what? I guess maybe since they're wireless, like maybe if one of your mic runs out of battery, you have the second one to have as a backup. But yeah, 1187 Type C, because the new iPhones are Type C now. They're not the old iPhone connection there. 1-to-1 Type C. I don't know what that means. Oh, one. Not bad. 1 mic, 1 transmitter. This is 1 transmitter, 2 mics, and then 1, which is ISO, the old style of charger. But For the two mics, which I think is pretty cool because you could have one as a backup when the other one runs out. $11.87, or you could have just grabbed that one for $9.52, but for $2-3 more, you got that extra mic. So let's open her up. So got the mics. They come with the little what do you call that, buff for the, I guess, noise. I don't know what you would call it, but you get two mics. And then you have the transmitter. Let's see, in this box looks like it's the charger. That's how they come packaged. And it looks like you have the charger right here. It's hard to take. Here we go. USB to Type C. Charger feels cheap. It's like one of those chargers, if like charging off and on bends the wires and then they break in the inside. Won't last. This I know won't last. But I have my higher end wires, like for the GoPros and the chargers for my iPhones. So this goes out, I got a lot of backups. But yeah, two mics, one goes out, you have a backup. Chest mount. Y'all saw the lures. I'm most anxious about this one and this one. So these two are the ones I'm most stoked about. I will buy some of these over the weekend so we could compare it. But 100% I want to say this is a megabass. Like I said, we compared the packaging from the Dark Sleeper. I don't know, we gotta check it out. But just looking at it, I don't want to pull it out because I'm not gonna use it right now. It has the weight in there, just like the, oh, we could feel the, here's a little claw. Man, this, I'm telling you, it's quality. Look, that claw even has like the split. The pinchers. This feels quality. I'm telling you, this is megabass if I ain't never seen one. Megabass. We're picking one up this weekend and we are gonna compare them. But other than that, I thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your time. As always, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend, because that's how you get somebody's name out there. Help the channel out. 500 subs, man, and I'll do a giveaway. We could give away some baits. I got temu reels. I mean, we'd give something good. But 500 subs, and as soon as we get there, we'll go ahead and do a giveaway. And hopefully we could get there soon and get that out of the way soon. But I'll let y'all go. Y'all have a safe New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. From my family to y'all family, God bless y'all. And I wish y'all nothing but the best in this new year coming up. And much love. And we'll catch y'all on the next one.
Please subscribe, like, and share.